Zionist terrorism in Gaza is inspiring the actions of India. This past week, we've seen the propaganda pushed out by Israel, claiming that Gaza has always belonged to them and it was always their right to lay claim to that land. And at the same time in South Asia, India are using images of Israel's bombardment on Gaza and AI-generated videos to push a false narrative that they are wiping out Muslims while pushing the same narrative of Kashmir belonging only to them. Both imperial ideologies rely on murder and colonialism in order to achieve their pathetic goals, and Israel and India are partners in this. The relationship between the two countries is even stronger than that of Israel and the West, because neither nation is prepared to stop until they claim every inch of Palestinian and Kashmiri land. This week has been a week of action against Booking.com and their promotion of tourism on Palestinian land. We see this exact thing happening in Kashmir, with tourism being used as a tool for normalizing the occupation of both these lands and stirring in the heart of occupiers a desire to claim these beautiful, rich lands as their own, supporting their governments in doing so. Booking.com has listings on their websites for hotels and apartments in both occupied Palestine and occupied Kashmir. They are directly profiting from the war crimes committed in Gaza and the military occupation in Kashmir. The people of both Palestine and Kashmir share a bond, with art being seen in both lands declaring their solidarity for one another. In Indian-occupied Kashmir, you can see murals that say, "We are Palestinian." And in Palestine, you can see a call for a free Kashmir alongside a call for their own freedom. From Kashmir to Palestine, occupation is a crime. From Palestine, Sudan, Congo and Kashmir, no one is free until we are all free. Palestine belongs to Palestinians and Kashmir belongs to Kashmiris. No one has a right to these lands but the people of these lands, and the streets of Manchester will shout Hurriya and Azadi until we see the people of both these lands free. Before I finish, I want to try a little chant with you all. Week in, week out, we all chant the word Hurriya, which in Arabic means freedom. In South Asia, we have a similar word, which is Azadi. It's a Persian word that means freedom. And I just want to try this out with you all. So, Hurriya, Hurriya! Hurriya, Hurriya! Hurriya, Hurriya! Hurriya! Azadi, Azadi! Azadi, Azadi! Azadi, Azadi! Azadi, Azadi! We won't stop till they're both free! 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 Free Palestine, free Kashmir, glory to the resistance. Thank you.